Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered tax advice. Always consult with qualified tax advisors. Hey everyone! Today let's talk about something that might sound daunting, the UK tax system. But I promise it's not as scary as it seems. We'll break it down into easy-to-understand chunks so you can feel confident about what you're paying and why. Imagine you're running a flat share. Think of the UK like a big flat share, where everyone contributes to the shared costs. The government is the landlord, and the money we contribute through taxes goes towards paying the bills, like the NHS, schools, roads, and more. Income tax is simply your monthly contribution based on your income. Who pays income tax in the UK? If you're earning money in the UK, whether it's a salary, self-employment income, a pension, or even rental income from your property, you'll likely be paying income tax. But remember, not all your hard work goes straight to the government. Your tax-free zone, the personal allowance. Think of the personal allowance as your tax-free bubble. It's the amount you can earn each year without paying income tax. In the 2024-25 tax year, the personal allowance is £12,570. So if you earn less than this, you're good to go. No income tax to worry about. Tax bands and rates. How much do you pay? Once you earn more than your personal allowance, you enter different tax bands. Each band has its own tax rate, which is the percentage of your income you pay in tax. The higher you earn, the higher the band and the rate you'll fall into. Here's a simplified breakdown of the main UK income tax bands and rates. 0% personal allowance. Amount up to £12,570, also known as personal allowance, is a tax-free amount for which no tax is levied. 20% basic rate. This applies to the portion of your income between the personal allowance and £50,270. 40% higher rate applies to the portion of your income between £50,271 and £150,000. 45% additional rate. The additional rate and applies to any income exceeding £150,000. Remember, this is a simplified overview, and there are other factors that can affect your tax situation, like additional allowances and reliefs you may qualify for. We'll explore those next. An example with savings. Let's say you earn an annual salary of £30,000. You get the personal allowance of £12,570, leaving £17,430 taxable income. Since this falls within the basic rate band, you'll pay 20% income tax on it, which is £3,486. Beyond the basics, allowances and reliefs. Remember those additional factors we mentioned? These are things like allowances and reliefs that can reduce your tax bill even further. For example, if you're married and your spouse doesn't earn much, you might be eligible for the marriage allowance, which can transfer some of your unused personal allowance to them, potentially saving you both monies. Seeking professional help. When to get an expert's opinion. While this video provides a basic understanding, the UK tax system can get complex. If you have specific questions or need help with your individual tax situation, especially regarding income tax, consulting a qualified accountant or tax advisor is always the best option. They can help you understand your obligations, ensure you're claiming all your allowances and reliefs, and ultimately save you money by navigating the complexities of the system. I hope this video gave you a clearer picture of the UK income tax system. Remember, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content related to property accounting and taxes.